I came to a Cribs Kusriman, Bristol, looking for noodle chopsticks. This is the right one. You can choose. The main is rice or noodles. So my friend ordered the noodles as well. One noodles or rice plus two toppings. So you can choose either rice or noodles with two toppings, sweet and sour chicken or spicy chicken or sorts. So my friend ordered first, and now it's my turn. Can I have a small box, please? Could I have a noodles? Only small box, maybe just in case I will not finish to eat that. With the chicken, spicy, please. That's correct. Thank you. And the second topping will be a sweet and sour chicken. Yes, please. That'll be enough. It looks small size box, but it looks like big. That was it. That's it. That's it. Mine. That will be a reasonable price. So I'm going to eat in. So that will be cost of 675. That is, why is there little balls there? Chicken ball, I think. There you are. I choose chicken with green beans, runny beans, and a spicy chicken. There you are. Come on, guys. Come and join. Let's eat my noodles chicken toppings. We'll see what he likes this. It looks so nice. First try. Nice. It's dry. I like dry. I don't like too much, too juicy. And then this vegetarian noodles. Look at me, guys. Look at the nice color with runny beans, vegetable noodles, or vegetarian noodles, shall we say. Enjoying. Interesting. Would you eat this? I do. It's a bit spicy, but if you like spicy, there is. So I choose this spicy, and there is non-spicy. So noodles. A bit awkward by chair. So you should come and try these noodles in here. This, yeah, look at my food. Look at my food. It's colorful. Noodle chopsticks. This place is Noodle Chopsticks in the mall, Cribs, Bristol, in England. Yummy, yummy. Vegetable. Are you enjoy this chicken, guys? Yummy, yummy. So hopefully I finish off this. It's quite a bit, even though a small box. I really enjoy it. Oops. Bit spicy. But It's nice, that one spicy. Make you warm. Feeling warm. Make you warm your body. Look at that, my noodles. Mmm. Enjoying it. Spicy. But it's really nice. So I might be order a water. A bottle of water. For now. But there's no coffee, but I don't want fizzy drinks. So I really enjoy this noodles chopsticks. And the spicy chicken. And the sweet and sour chicken. I'm almost there. So yummy, yummy. So there you are. Takes for a while, quite a bit, quite a lot there inside small box. I thought the small is smallest, but that small, it looks like big for me. It's quite very filling my tummy, especially the noodles. But I really enjoy it. Excuse my mouth. Order a bottle of water. So they already give me yes. Oops. Nearly there. I'm quite enjoying this noodles with 2 chickens. So, oops. Mmm. Just like a chicken only, everything is chicken there. I haven't heard pork. I don't know if there is a pork, but I only ordered chicken. Mmm. Almost there. I'll use a chopstick. Not really good in chopstick, but I try it. We'll see if I finish up using the chopstick. It's supposed to be a noodles chopstick. So when you eat chopsticks, but if you're not good enough, well, I use fork earlier, but now I try chopstick. Well, I'm not good at it, but try. But at least I enjoy my food. Mmm. I'm full now. Oh, to be spicy.